5:46 is the time here on this Thursday morning. A lot to share with you when it comes to your Code Red weather alert.
Yeah, our Fox 17 Code Red meteorologist Greg Bob has been tracking the timing for today, the impacts for today when it comes to this round of potentially severe weather.
Yesterday we had a monitoring mode, which for us means that we were watching today as a day. I kind of saw some signs in the morning that maybe today is a day that could get a little worse for us. And over the last 24 hours, things have progressively shown signs of severe weather that could pop up later today. Timeline, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. We got to get there first, though. Literally have to get out the door and figure out what we're doing right now because we have a dense fog advisory in effect for many of us until 8 o'clock. There are areas of elevated fog that are not in the shaded gray areas, but the fog is most prevalent here in our southwestern counties, and there have been some showers overnight. We have wet pavement. We have a few sprinkles out there. The morning, not necessarily perfect here by any means. You can take a look at some elevated fog we've got here over downtown. What do I mean by elevated fog? About 50, 60 feet in the air in some spots. But that does mean that some of our elevated surfaces, roadways, have had to work through it. Taking a look here at Gallatin, I wanted to show you this, where the clouds have broken up a little bit here. Our sunrise officially is happening as we speak. Beautiful start to the day. So not everyone contending with the fog this morning. Just keep it in mind, there are patches that are out there. We have a warm front over us that's going to get stuck. When it gets stuck, it will give us the chance to work into warmer air and also potentially some stronger storms that could fire along that front this afternoon. Again, 1 to 10 p.m. overnight. I raised both of these. When the potential for wind and hail were already there, they're now more prevalent, meaning they're a bigger threat for us here. You don't see anything on tornadoes here by any means as far as a marker goes, but I will tell you this. There is a possibility we could have a little rotation in a few cells that do develop for us. I can't call it a zero threat, but it's really close to it. Taking a look at a few more regular rain showers this morning, and then on and off with some cloud cover. This is the afternoon, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Isolated storms that develop through 7 o'clock and then finally begin to die down around 10 o'clock. Those are the storms that are not necessarily for everyone, but the ones that do pop up, if you get stuck underneath them, could have a strong to severe implication, again, mainly for wind and hail. We'll go from right near 60 degrees right now to 78 degrees later on this afternoon.